Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Alinga Sise of Urban Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please kindly consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Remember, we are on our way to 200k subscribers and I'll be so grateful. Today I'm super excited because I want us to deworm the birds. And just like last time when we dewormed the birds last month, I told you that at least every month you must deworm these birds, because when we do not do this deworming, you realize that there will be a drop in production. Birds will get diarrhea, birds will get worms, and all these things are not good for the birds. Sometimes you'll even end up losing the birds. Now, for us who are using the deep litter system, we are at a high risk of these worms, of diarrhea, because these birds keep on pecking everything they see around. But at least for those who are in cages, you can deworm the birds after every 8 weeks. But for those who are doing deep litter system, please kindly always deworm the birds every month. And I've given you very many simple remedies that you can use to deworm the birds. I normally use charcoal. Actually, today we are going to use charcoal because it is very easy for me to get. And you can also use the papaya seeds. But remember, the papaya seeds, you have to prepare them early enough for you to deworm with your birds. And I've also said that you can also mix these things, like you can use the papaya seeds mixed with garlic, you can use the papaya seeds mixed with aloe vera gel, you can use the papaya seeds mixed with ginger. And then if you're using the charcoal, you can also mix it with ginger, you can also mix it with aloe vera, you can also mix it with garlic, okay, depending on what you can get. But for today, I'm going to use the charcoal alone, because in the drinking water, remember, I've been putting there the beetroots and ginger last time I showed you. So today we are just going to use charcoal alone to deworm our birds, because this deworming is very important. But one thing I've realized, I'm still receiving so many questions about what type of charcoal are we supposed to use to deworm our birds. Guys, I've said that we are going to use wood charcoal, okay? Me, I use wood charcoal that is just made from local woods, like the eucalyptus trees, the mango trees, the guava trees, all those woods. You can burn them and use the charcoal for deworming the birds. Guys, the charcoal is so amazing. For those who have really used it, it is so amazing in a way that even you will not have the ammonia smell in your farm. You will realize the birds will even increase in production. So it is really very good to use this charcoal. Actually, I really love it a lot. For those who have been following me, I think you've realized that this is one of the herbal remedies that I love so much. So for today, we are going to mix with the feeds. Okay, you can mix with the feeds, you can blend it, like you can grind it very well into powder and mix in the drinking water. But today I'm going to mix with their feed. So let us go and prepare our charcoal and we mix with our feed. See you right back. So guys, if you have the machine, you can grind it, but this one I just pounded it. So this is the charcoal that we are going to use to mix with our chicken feeds. But I've always also mixed with the drinking water, but today I want to mix with their feeds. This is to show someone out there who is using automated drinkers that even if you don't mix with the drinking water, even in the feeds it can still work. So we are going to pound more, okay? And someone is going to ask me, how much do I need in 100 kilograms of feeds? In 100 kilograms of feeds, you're going to use 10 kilograms of charcoal, okay? And then you mix it very well. And then you will. So let us start pounding our charcoal very well first. And you're going to give these birds for 3 consecutive days. For those who have been regularly deworming their birds, you're going to give the birds for 3 consecutive days. So for today, that is all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for loving me. But if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video. Comment in the comment section down below. And I'll be so grateful. See you next time. I love you all. Bye-bye.